What is the best spot cleaner for carpet? Here are my full reviews of the best spot cleaner for carpet. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush. This cordless Bissell has a built-in rotating brush for deep cleaning power. Just switch it off when using on delicate fabrics like woven rugs and velvet. It also comes with a nubby rubber pet tool to tackle messes from furry family members. Expect 20 minutes of running time on one charge. In our test, this model earned the best overall score for performance, encompassing stain and odor removal, sound, run time and more. It removed fresh and dried red wine and blueberry pie filling stains, and the machine was easy to clean and maintain. Testers loved the ease of the thumb controls. Bissell recommends you use their own ready-to-use formula. What we like: 3-star quiet mark rating. Convenient control buttons. Pre-mix formula. What we don't like: 8-ounce tanks require frequent emptying/refilling. Takes 4.5 hours to charge. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro's 4-foot hose, extra long power cord, plus large tank capacities make it useful for bigger cleaning jobs, especially in harder to reach places. The special stain trapper tool keeps nasty pet messes from reaching the hose or dirty water tank. During our tests, it was second only to the Rug Doctor in overall stain removal, and was excellent at removing odor. The cleaning formula must be diluted before use, so it lasts longer. What we like: special container system for pet messes. Extra long power cord. What we don't like: 1-star quiet mark rating. Heavy when full. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. Holder of the primary Good Housekeeping seal and the green Good Housekeeping seal, the Bissell Little Green machine is a solid, reliable cleaner. The 4-foot hose extends the reach of the machine, and the 48 ounces dirty water tank capacity means you don't have to empty it that often. After cleaning, a handy hydro rinse tool helps you flush out the hose before storing it. Goodbye to trap gunk, which could start to smell after a while. What we like: hose and cord management systems make storage neat. Easy to clean and maintain. What we don't like: 1-star quiet mark rating. Hard to hold solution tank while diluting cleaning formula. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Hoover PowerDash Go Portable Spot Cleaner. Easy to carry and store, this corded portable cleaner features a 5-foot hose that makes it easy to pick up spills in awkward places such as behind the sofa or in the car. Replace the brush head with a pet attachment to tackle set-in and embedded stains. This Hoover got top marks for ease of use. Its slim design makes it easy to carry and use on stairs. The tanks stand on their own, so they are super easy to fill. Use Hoover's own pre-mixed solution or risk voiding the warranty. The cord wraps at the back and the hose clips to it neatly. It's not the quietest nor the loudest machine, quiet mark rated at 2-star. What we like: stands and stores upright. Longest hose of models tested. What we don't like: smaller tanks. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. This Rug Doctor is a workhorse that powered through our stain tests and did the best job of nixing both the stain and the odor of the yellow ammonia we put down to simulate pet urine, and the nozzle's rubberized bristles grab pet hair while removing stains. The large tanks on Rug Doctor's corded model hold 64 ounces of cleaning solution, meaning less refilling through big or multiple jobs. Wheels and a carrying handle help make it easy to maneuver and move between the areas. Adding the cleaning solution to hot water in the solution tank is a little tricky as the tank does not stand on its own. What we like: excellent stain removal. 4-foot hose. Retractable carrying handle and wheels. What we don't like. Heavy, almost 20 pounds when tanks are full. 1-star quiet mark rating. Relatively pricey. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.